What, he's supposed to just jump out after her?
Well, at least they'll be together.
Man, I don't get Jackie. I mean, we were together for years, and the second I turn my back, she often French's hide. And by turn your back, you mean ditching her for 2 months to have sex with random beach trash? Whatever, man. It's all about words with you. Kelso, Jackie's my girlfriend. We're together, so get over it. Do it. You fine. Kelso, Jackie's my girlfriend. We're together, so get over it. Do it. You fine. Dude, you shot him.
That is exactly what happened to Snowball.
Oh my God. I'm so sorry. 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 Did I shoot your eye? Yes. I can't see you, Mara. You're dead.
Let's start running now.
You've been chasing me a few times. Just hide your blind spot.
Man, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. Phoebe just winged my shoulder. But that kid needs to be taught a lesson.
Fine. It was an accident.
No, it wasn't. He's been bitching about me and Jackie since he found out. Now he got himself so out of control that he shot me. I don't like getting shot. So now I'm going to punish him the way my parents punished me.
You're gonna leave him at the mall?
No. I'm going to milk this eye thing until he feels as bad as he should. They didn't leave me at the mall. They forgot me. They were drunk.
I am in pain. Guys, we're really sorry about Nina. You know, rejection hurts.
No, Nina and I were kissing and she made me stop and now I am in pain.
Ew.
I have to go do something.
I think maybe we're all getting a little too comfortable with each other.
Well, maybe we wouldn't be so comfortable if we just gave each other some space.
Don't make me hit you.
Well, good luck reaching me through all the space.
Hey guys. Side here. Bye. Hey, hi. Brought you this. What is it? I can't see. Well, it's most of a burger. I took a bite because I'm sorry, but I'm also hungry. Yeah, well, it's almost 2. I had to go flush out my eye. Guys, how bad is it? Is Hyde gonna be a Cyclops?
Also, what were you thinking? I mean, did you shoot him on purpose?
No, the gun went off on accident!
Well, he kind of thinks you did.
How could I? I mean, yeah, I was mad, but I don't know. Maybe I did it accidentally on purpose.
You mean subconsciously?
No, I was definitely awake the whole time.
Steven, I'm glad your eye's not hurt. Even though you deserve it because you were such a jerk about my dad.
Look, Jackie, I'm never going to be the guy who says the right thing at the right time, okay? I'm just not.
You are so full of it. All I'm asking for is a gesture, and you can't even do that.
Okay, I got something. Get your dad a carton of cigarettes.